doesn't cut the paper at all because I've been scraping floors and doing all kinds of shit with it.
There you go. And feel this, I'm going to make you fall over. Feel these teeth. Watch how sharp they're going to get. Feel these teeth. You can tell everyone it works. Watch this. I've done every kind of serrated knife there's possibly to do. Will not hurt them at all. Take anything serrated right in the middle. This gets a vibration going, chatters it up and down through the teeth, top to bottom. I've done every style possible. It does not hurt them. No metal at all comes off. And it sharpens it right through the entire tooth. Whoop. From the tip to the valley, right on through. That feel sharper? Feel that. Sharper. Anything smooth edge now, draw through. This side's made to follow the original edge. Works the original bevel back in any style blade. That's important when you have good knives. You want to keep it original. They'll stay sharper longer and you don't void a warranty. Made in America, not ding-a-donga. I'll do any blade y'all got. Use your leather belt when you're done. That'll polish it. Takes you up a little bit sharper again. Steak knives, Brad, electrics, I do them all. 20 each, 2 for 30.
Whoops, sorry.
Sorry.
I didn't want to cut you there. Now that it's sharp.
Right.